Magnetic drill MR-D23. Hi, here is company Monax. We want to propose you very suitable for demanding environments such as power plants, for shipbuilding, bridge construction, steel structures, as well as installation and repair of equipment. Equipped with a powerful electric motor, features stepless speed control. Thanks to the adjustable rotation speed, you can safely work with stainless steel, aluminium and other difficult materials. So, let's look technical characteristic. First, twist drill capacity, it's 23 mm. Tread diameter is M14. No load speed, 417 rpm. Maximum annular cutter diameter has 14 mm. Taper here is MT2. Magnetic base with a maximum holding force of 16,500 newtons ensures safety and reliability during drilling. Our dear customer, if you want to buy this equipment, call our manager and we help you with your choice. If you need some additional information, you can find it on our webpage. See you next time!